Have you ever cracked open a bottle of that delicious, dark rum, Kraken, and gotten to thinking, who exactly is behind this mysterious drink? The bottle itself evokes a sense of adventure, with its giant squid design and cryptic logo. It makes you wonder, is there a secret rum distillery on a hidden island, captained by a rum-swilling pirate? Well, not quite as exciting, but buckle up because we're about to dive deep, pun intended, into the world of Kraken rum and uncover the real story behind who owns this beloved beverage. Early days, a strong start in the U.S. Kraken rum story starts in the United States in the 1960s. The exact origins are a little blurry, but what we do know is that it was first produced for Publix, a major supermarket chain in the southeastern U.S. Back then, it wasn't called Kraken, it was known as Original Spice Rum. Spicy rums were gaining popularity at the time, and Publix wanted a piece of the action. Changing hands, from the U.S. to the Caribbean. Now, fast forward to the mid-1990s. The rum landscape had shifted. Interest in spiced rums had dipped a bit, and Publix decided to sell the brand. This is where things get interesting. Enter Conecuh Brands, a company based in Alabama, USA. They saw potential in Kraken and decided to take a chance. Here's where the story takes a turn towards the tropics. Conecuh Brands knew that rum originated from the Caribbean, and they felt that giving Kraken a more Caribbean identity would boost its appeal. So, they reformulated the recipe, giving it a stronger Caribbean rum base and a spicier profile. They also gave it the dramatic rebranding we all know today, the name Kraken, the giant squid logo, and the whole mysterious pirate vibe. Setting sail for Europe, Kraken goes global. The new-look Kraken was a hit. Sales in the U.S. started to climb, but Conecuh Brands had even bigger ambitions. They set their sights on Europe, the rum capital of the world. In 2010, they struck a deal with Proximo Spirits, a major European distributor. This was a game-changer. Proximo Spirits had the muscle and reach to push Kraken into bars and stores across Europe. Suddenly, that dark bottle with the giant squid was everywhere. 2011 and beyond, the quiet Caribbean takeover. Here's where things get interesting again. In 2011, Proximo Spirits was acquired by a much larger company, Pernod Ricard. Pernod Ricard is a massive French spirits conglomerate that owns some of the biggest brands in the world, including Absolut Vodka, Ricard Pastis, and Mumm Champagne. So, as of today, Kraken rum is owned by Pernod Ricard. They haven't made any major changes to the brand. They seem to understand that the whole mysterious Caribbean thing is what makes Kraken special. But hey, you never know what the future holds. Maybe one day we'll see a giant squid cruise ship docked in the Caribbean, all thanks to the success of Kraken rum. The takeaway, a rum steeped in mystery. So, there you have it. The story of who owns Kraken rum isn't quite as exciting as a pirate treasure hunt, but it is interesting to see how this rum has evolved over the years. From its humble beginnings in the U.S. to its current status as a global brand, Kraken has carved out a unique niche in the rum world. With its dark color, spicy flavor, and mysterious image, Kraken continues to capture the imagination of rum lovers around the world. So, next time you raise a glass of Kraken, remember the story behind it, a story of reformulation, rebranding, and a global thirst for adventure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.